Hello friends, I'm going to do the unboxing of the Omron 7130 blood pressure device. So let's see, I've already cut the packet. Okay. So this is the device, look and feel from the box. So you can see I got this device from Amazon at about 2400. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. Okay, it comes with a beautiful bag. And what else is in the box? Okay, it's a warranty card. So it has a 3 years warranty. Okay, so let's see inside. Okay, so if this is your cuff, this is the instruction manual. So there are two versions of this device, Omron 7130 and 7120. So I purchased 7130 as it has few more features than 7120. It has a LED light which tells you whether you have correctly placed the cuff on your hand or not. So leave this aside. And this is the device. It's a beautiful device. This is the device. Here it runs on a battery. This is the port on which you connect your tube. It will be in this packet. Let's see, what's the battery section. It requires four pencil cells like normal batteries which you'll get in the market. Okay, so let's open this and see what are there inside. Okay, they haven't provided the batteries. They're strange. Oh, here it is. These are the battery. So normal pencil cells. This device has a feature like it can store up to 60 readings and provide you the average of all your past readings. Cloth material is also very good. So Omron is the best brand which is available in India. There are many, but Omron is the best one. So I'll show you how you can connect. It's very simple. See, this is the port. Nothing you have to do. Just enter it and you are done. It's connected. Let me connect the cells. So now let's connect the cells. That's it. It's done. You can see it's a beautiful device. It gives you 3 readings: systolic, diastolic, and your pulse. This is the start button. Let's press it. See. Is our connected file. Okay, let me see. Plus minus. It was corrected wrong. Okay, it got. With this button you can set your time. This button will give you your past history, and these are for moving away. Like when you are setting time, you have to move your time back and forth. You can use these buttons, and when you see your time past average, you can scroll down with these buttons. So that's it, guys. Let me know how you like it.